Okay, I just opened up this mini fridge that I bought. And it does not work. Very cute. I have a fridge like this one. Right now I have my little things in it. I'm just using it basically as storage since it doesn't work. But you can see I have it on. The problem is that it'll go on, but it does not get cool at all. And if you listen, there's no fan sound because there's no fan on. What I did is I kept it plugged into a regular outlet, and I did that for 3 days thinking that would it'll take some time for it to start to get cool, but nope. If anything, all it did was get warmer. So I don't know what's going on. I would definitely suggest not buying this mini fridge, obviously, since it does not work. And I would look for a different manufacturer because I purchased one of these before and I've had it for years and it did work, and it still does work, but this one has never worked since I turned it on. So as you can see, the switch will go on. So it's getting power, but it just won't turn on. So yep, that's the review of this mini fridge. Again, very cute fridge, but perfect size for where I needed it to go. I wanted to store my supplies in for my creams and everything, but unfortunately, this fridge does not work.
So here's the Cooluli fridge, mini fridge refrigerator, and I guess warmer too. There's a hot, or is it hot, warm, and a cold feature. The fan on it is a little loud, not what I expected, and it's actually like pretty plasticky. I don't know what exactly I was expecting. Also, you're hard pressed to open this with one hand. I mean, unless you're holding the top. And I've got a water bottle in there right now. I couldn't fit this in like just like this. Like you gotta kind of slant it back there. It's cute. I bought this for my daughter for Christmas. You slide this little sucker in here for, you know, facial products or whatever that need cooling or heating, I guess. And there's a little slot right here on the door. She actually received a different one that has a mirror on the front from her friends for Christmas, and I felt like that one was a little bit better, but I mean, not a bad product overall. I'd probably give it like a 6 or 7. 6 out of 10.
Hello everyone, this is a video review of the Cooluli mini refrigerator. As you can see, we have it here in the baby's nursery. Very quiet little thing, not too small, and it's pretty small, but not overly small. We use this for bottles of formula as well as breast milk. As you can see, it is definitely cold enough. It is icing there in the back, a little shelf here on the door, and there is a little insert for 2 shelves if you need to. It does run off of the ambient temperature in the room, so we're a good 68 degrees in here, And this is going to be 40 below that, which is absolutely perfect for storing milk. So overall, excellent product, very quiet. It's been working for about 2 weeks now, and no complaints. Been keeping our bottles chilly, nice chilly cold. Thank you.
I love this mini fridge so much. It's adorable, really great pink color. Here's the inside. It keeps everything really cold, and here it just plugs into a wall, the cord, and you can just turn it on or off. It's really nice, and it keeps everything really cold. It can also, I forgot to say, it can keep stuff warm too, which is really cool. You just have to switch the button. So yeah.